Babaw Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Check this out, guys. This is the newest pizza restaurant in SM City Clark.
Actually, it's from Canada to Manila, and now this is their second branch in Philippines, in Pampanga.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Steveston Pizza actually is a creation of Chef Nader in Canada. Day one pa lang, he already said that I'm not going to be competing with those ordinary pizza guys. I'm going to create a pizza that is way above the par. Started out with his Steveston Pizza in Canada. He was able to do also the most expensive pizzas in the world. And he is actually in the Guinness Book of Records. We decided to bring Steveston Pizza Canada to Philippines. So we were operating Steveston Pizza in the Philippines. And suddenly one day, Mr. James shows up and said he wanted to bring it to Pampanga.
So this is the place ng Steveston Pizza dito sa may SM Clark. So this is the newest pizza hangout para sa inyo, and even yung pinakamahal na pizza nila ay nasa Guinness Book of Records. So check it out.
So the first thing that I thought during the day, I'll bring this to Pampanga. It's the uniqueness of the pizza, it's the quality, it's the quantity.
Pampangans are very embracing of new cuisines, something that are really artisanal, and I think we tried ourselves at Steveston of creating handcrafted pizzas. And again, we're not just ordinary pizza, so we want to create that impression to the whole Pampanga that there's a new player in town, we're a game changer, and that it's going to be another amazing stall for them to check out.
So that was it. Congratulations, Steveston Pizza, for opening dito po sa SM City Clark. Actually, this is located dito sa may first level ng Skyline ng SM City Clark.
Yeah, so this is another place sa mga pizza lover, pizza adventurer. So this is another place for you to eat and dine yung mga different kinds of pizza nila.
There you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, or if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and when you share it, please tag us para po malike namin yung mga sinashare din ninyo.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace.
Bye, guys.